Hello, we are the Care Bears and welcome to our video presentation for professional practice communication. Today, we will be presenting a simulated scenario that demonstrates effective nurse-client communication, interprofessional collaboration, and culturally safe trauma-informed care. In this scenario, we follow Micah, a registered nurse, as they provide care to Mark, a post-operative client, and his daughter, Mia. The script integrates key communication model such as transactional model of communication and highlights principles from College of Nurses of Ontario practice standards, including client-centered care, cultural competence, and nurse accountability to promote safe and respectful environment. Through this interaction, we aim to showcase how professional communication fosters trust, support patient recovery, and uphold ethical nursing practice. We hope you find this presentation informative and reflective of the values we uphold as future nursing profession.
The scene opens with Mark sitting in bed with his daughter, looking slightly uncomfortable.
Good morning, Mark. How are you feeling today? I'm Micah, your nurse. I see you have your daughter with you. It's great to have your family support during recovery.
Good morning, Micah. To be honest, we're a bit anxious because my dad has been a bit of pain since the surgery.
Yeah, nurse, the pain is manageable, but I'm a little bit worried of relying too much on pain medication.
Thank you for sharing that, Mark. Let's discuss your pain management options. I want to ensure you feel comfortable. Can you describe your pain scale from 1 to 10, 10 being the lowest and 10 being the highest?
It's just 6 right now, but I'm too worried that I will be dependent on these painkillers.
That's understandable, Mark. Pain management is important, and we can find a balance. Mia, do you have any thoughts on how we can support your dad?
I heard some non-medical options like breathing exercises. I think those could help.
Those are excellent suggestions. We can incorporate deep breathing exercises into your daily routine, and that might ease the discomfort. Mark, I also want to acknowledge that surgery can be a stressful experience. If there's anything that makes you uncomfortable or anxious, please let me know. It's crucial that you feel safe here.
Yeah, thank you. That would be helpful. But I have a dietary preference. If I can eat chicken and beef that is halal made, that would be great.
Got it. I'll ensure that your meal includes halal, chicken or beef, along with rice and vegetable. I'll communicate this to the dietary team right away. And just to reiterate, Mark, as per the College of Nurses of Ontario standards, we are dedicated to provide patient-centered care. Your preferences and values are fundamental to your treatment plan.
Thank you.
To summarize, we'll create a pain management plan that includes both medication and non-medical approaches like breathing exercise that Mia suggested, and we'll also ensure that your dietary preferences are met. How does that sound to you?
That's great. Thank you so much, and thank you for understanding my situation.
Thank you also for discussing with us, and that's make a difference for us.
Thank you both for being so open today. Remember, I'm here to help and support you. If you have any further questions or concerns at any time, don't hesitate to reach out. Your recovery is our top priority.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
so
nurse.
much.
Thank you also.